Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like we are going to kind of settle into a warmer weather pattern and mainly dry for the next several days. We do have one disturbance which is moving through the Rockies. This, as I mentioned yesterday, is going to head up towards the Great Lakes. The associated cold front will move through our area, but not expected to produce much as far as rainfall. Behind this one, we do have more upper level energy here approaching the west coast. This will likely give us our next best chance for some rain towards the middle part of next week. Let's take it through the next couple of days here with Robin's Toyota Futurecast. You can see that tonight. We're going to be looking at a partly cloudy sky across the area. Still a bit of a breeze out of the southeast. Tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. And don't expect to see much as far as rain tomorrow. Even tomorrow night, looking partly cloudy. Notice the cold front is going to be moving into the heart of the region. Seriously doubt that we'll see anything significant as far as rainfall as this frontal system pushes through. And with the winds becoming more northerly Thursday, some morning clouds will give way to plenty of sunshine for most of Thursday. Now, some models are indicating that we could see a little bit of rain Thursday night, Friday over the northern sections of the area. But most models, including Futurecast, not really showing much. In fact, Futurecast is totally dry going through Thursday night and Friday. So if we do see some rain, it's going to be limited to the extreme northern edge of the region, probably north of Interstate 30. And even there, it won't be much if you do get some at all. A longer range, we do have a more promising chance of rain towards the middle part of next week. As you can see, our first disturbance moving through the Great Lakes. Here comes the upper level ridge again, which will dry us out or keep us dry and warm us up here, especially towards the first half of next week. You can see the center of the ridge very close to the ArkLaTex, and we could see temperatures close to 90 to begin next week. And then here comes the next big upper level trough, which will swing through the region. It does appear as if this is going to take a more southerly course, as you can see here. This is a bit of a change from what the models were indicating yesterday, but we do have some decent model agreement on this scenario. So a line of thunderstorms very well could move through the area sometime Wednesday afternoon. It'll push its way on through. Now, this particular model shows the upper level low cutting off right over us. Other models sending it on its way off towards the east. So more than likely, we will see the rain end Wednesday night, and we will likely see the return of some cooler temperatures to close next week. Now, as far as rainfall potential, again, this is probably one of the wettest models, showing that the heaviest rain will be across the northern half of the area, where an inch, I would think, will be possible. Further to the south, probably south of the Arkansas-Louisiana line, if you extend it westward, probably looking at rainfall totals of a half an inch to an inch would be a reasonable expectation. But keep in mind, given the fact that this model is showing heavier totals, that definitely will be a possibility during the course of the next 10 days. Again, this does take us out through next Friday, but most of this will actually occur next Wednesday. So a forecast looks like this for tonight. We're going to be looking at a partly cloudy sky across the area. Temperatures will be cool, but not as cool as we've seen here recently, as we'll see lows in the mid to upper 50s. That includes 55 degrees tonight in Shreveport, 58 degrees in 55 in Texarkana, 58 degrees in Shreveport, and 57 in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, temperatures quite a bit warmer as we top out in the mid 80s across most of the area. 86 in Mansfield, as well as in Shreveport and Minden, 84 in Magnolia and Texarkana, and 83 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in DeQueen. And again, nothing really too much to worry about as far as rain for your Tuesday, as we'll see that mix of clouds and sunshine. Now, we return to the mid 80s tomorrow. Looks like the mid 80s will hang around. Actually, could see some upper 80s, especially during the first half of next week. 90 will be possible here, especially Sunday, Monday, and or Tuesday. And then the cold front arrives Wednesday with a good chance for some thunderstorms, and then we'll cool off a bit as that front moves in behind it, with highs falling back into the 70s and lows that will eventually warm into the upper 60s to close to 70, should retreat back to the 50s by the end of next week. So again, it looks like a relatively dry week ahead, with a pretty good chance for some possibly strong to severe thunderstorms as we look ahead to next Wednesday.